What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an Ipsy unboxing and try on. I received my Ipsy maybe a week or so ago and I totally forgot that I could do a video about it. So I thought why not? December 2018 Ipsy unboxing. Okay, so the first product that we have here is the Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force Mini Bronzer in the color Woody Wonder. It's really pretty, it's really nice, it's very buttery. It feels beautiful. Oof, that looks really pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Crown makeup brush with the dome right here, just because this is the brush I use to bronzer and contour. It's kind of a small pan size, but we'll make it work. So I'm dipping my brush, looks like quite a bit fallout. Get my mirror over here. Okay, and then just going to contour the face. Ooh. It's actually pretty pigmented. Definitely is getting the job done. So you just want to get your cheeks, your chin, and your forehead. And I don't have the skinniest cheeks, so this definitely will make my cheeks a lot skinnier. And of course, doing this underneath your chin will get rid of that double chin. Okay, so that is the Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force Mini Bronzer in Woody Wonder. Next we have a blush and color Skinny Dip. Actually really pretty. I love mauve tones like this. This is like my favorite mauve tone-ish. It's also very silky. Nice. Oof. It's actually really pink. So I'm going to go ahead and get my brush. My Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Broader brush. I love the dual. It doesn't pick up that much pigment, which kind of helps me since I'm so heavy-handed. So I'm going to go ahead and just dip that in there. And smile. Go ahead and put that blush on, girl. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, alright. And you want to blend it in with your contour or bronzer, and it'll just be very, very pretty, very subtle. It's actually really, I like it. It's really pretty. Okay. I didn't get a highlight, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face really quick. I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter today. It's one of my all-time favorites. It's blinding too, so I'm just going to go ahead really quick and do my highlight. To my forehead. Okay. Next thing that we have in the bag is this OUAI Scalp and Body Scrub. I didn't get to use this, but I definitely will and let you know. It smells so good. I bet you it's gonna be really good. I know OUAI is a very expensive brand, so I'm pretty surprised that I have got this in my Ipsy bag. I'm actually pretty excited. So I hear good things about the brand, so we'll see. But I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, the next thing that we have here is a blending brush from the brand F.A.R.A.H, F.A.R.A.H, I guess it's called. It's really pretty. It's gold. It's the 35F. I'm sorry, 35E. It's a 35E blending brush. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to do a little bit of color and call it a day. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab that contour of Sugar Cosmetics that I used earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and just dip my brush in there. Tap off the excess and just get my crease so I can get a little bit of color in there. I already primed my eyes and set them earlier. So I'm just going to blend it out. This is what I do like when I go to work or when I just have like an off day and I don't want to do my makeup. I just put a little bit of bronzer in my crease and call it a day. Yeah, so this is actually a really good brush to use. I like it so far. I'm going to go ahead and put highlight in my inner corners. And I'm going to be using a Luxie 141 mini round brush. As you can see, it's really small, really tiny. It's great for in between the corners of your eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, make it seem like I'm more awake than I am. Okay, and then I did get this extra brush, and I think it's the brand INMO. It says hashtag INMO, I'm not sure, but it is an all over eyeshadow brush. It looks legit, it looks pretty. So what I'm going to do just to try it out is I'm going to put some highlighter. I'll go ahead and put that in the middle of my eyes right here. So I can get that extra pop, as well as test it out. It's so soft. Oh wow, it's really soft. These brushes are pretty soft. They're really good. I approve. These are really good brushes. I am going to put some mascara on now. I'm going to go ahead and use this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It's a small itty bitty size. I couldn't find my full size one, so I figured, let me just try my mini, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on real quick on these lashes and give them a lift. And there you go. Small, but it gets the job done. The next thing that we have is a Dr. Lipp Moisturizing Color Tint in Sweet Potato. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. It's like actually pretty thick. Oh wow. It's pretty thick. It feels hydrating. It doesn't have that sticky additive texture to it. It says it's so very kissable. We'll see about that. And then we have this frozen lipstick. It's actually really pretty. It has this gold, but it's a red. So let's go ahead. Oh wow, it's really red. Red is not really like my cup of tea. Maybe like for a New Year's Eve party or something like that, or a holiday party, but red isn't really I'm not gonna try this on. It has like a minty scent. It smells really good. I'll let you guys know. I'll definitely let you guys know how this is. I'll probably try it on later. But yeah, that is it for my Ipsy unboxing and try on. I actually love all the products that I got. For $10, I'm happy.